Hello, this is your English coach Shashi sir. Today in this video, I am here to talk about the power of a thought. Dear, have you ever heard to your elders that you must company with good friends? Why? Why they said so? That we must make friendship with good friends. Why? This is a big question mark. Dear, the reason behind it, I'm here to talk about. Why they told us to make friendship with good friends. Do tell me one thing, whenever you watch movies, so does your action perform just like the movie that you are watching? जो मूवी आप देख रहे हैं उसमें जैसा एक्शन हो रहा है, उसमें जो भी हो रहा है, उसका प्रभाव हमारे माइंड पे पड़ता है या नहीं? थिंक अबाउट इट. इफ द विलन ऑफ दैट मूवी इज बीटिंग टू योर फेवरेट हीरोज, then what kind of action your mind generates? Do you ever think about it? Whatever will be going on in the movie, that will affect your mind. Why? It's just because of your thought. Whatever you are watching, whatever you are listening, what you are observing, that will affect your mind. That's why our elder told us to make friendship with good friends. Dear, if you have to speak fluent English, you have to make friendship with the friends who are willing to speak English. Before speaking English, there are many steps to reach on the step of speaking English. Like you have to write at least 4 to 5 pages daily English writing, and you have to read English newspaper regularly, so that your vocab could be reached and your pronunciation should be enriched. This is the very, very important step for you. So try to make friendship with the friends who are willing to speak fluent English. Whether they are speaking or not, no need to bother about it. Try to watch English movies. Try to watch English news in your TV. Try to watch many things are available in your device in English language. You must watch them. So I would recommend you highly to write 4 to 5 pages English daily, and then you have to read out the English newspaper. These are the 2 steps. And the third thing is that you have to capture the basic grammar. If you are from that area where no one is speaking English, you have to consider the rules, the basic rules of grammar. These are the 3 steps. And then 4th step is that make friendship with the friends who are willing to speak English. And the last step is that try to speak with them during calling with them, and do not bother about who is thinking about you. Whatever they are thinking, no need to bother about it. Whether you are speaking in a wrong way or a right way, don't bother about it. Only you have to try to speak at least 5 minutes in a day. This is the last step. Now let us come back to the point that what's the power of thought. If you generate the thought of speaking English, then the way you will find out automatic. So generate a thought. A thought can change the world. That's why I highly recommend you to generate the thought in your mind to speak English. Dear, do tell me one thing. If you are watching a thing in front of you, suppose you have a table in front of you, so do tell me, is it not the thought of a body? Dear, इस टेबल को बनाने से पहले किसी के माइंड में तो आया होगा ना कि ये टेबल ऐसी होनी चाहिए ना, am I right? तो he got the thought to make a table. That's why he made it. Right now? Like that, you have to generate a thought to speaking English. Speak English. If a person is commenting on your English, do not bother about it. Try to write 4 to 5 pages English. Try to read English newspaper and try to make friendship with good friends who are willing to speak fluent English, and try to speak at least 5 minutes in a day, and then make a habit to survive in English. So dear students, please make sure do subscribe this channel if you are willing to speak English. And I would inform you that if you are in board, if you are in 10th class or 12th class, UP board, CBSE board, ICSE board, if you want to join English batch, you can text me on 9219946288 and share with your friends, comment and like.